Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game region on the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to switch your region within the game where you will be driving your trucks, then in order to do so, click on Options at the bottom section. From here, go into Interface, and now within the regional settings, you will need to use your regional preset. Click on the drop-down menu, and now you can switch between the various different regions that are available. Go ahead and click on whichever region you prefer, and this may also change your currency within the displayed currency section. After this, you can go back and your changes will be saved, and now you can continue to play within your new region. You may come back to this page at any point of time in order to switch it once again in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch the in-game region within the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.